Cell phone use and purchase for the elderly. Cell phone companies tend to market their product toward young people and young families. They are missing a logical market by not marketing more specifically toward the elderly. Cell phones are a lifesaver for many elderly individuals. Those elderly individuals that still live independently but alone have the option of tucking a cell phone in their pocket if they are venturing outside, or even clip it to their clothes when wandering about the house during the day in case of a slip and fall. A cell phone in the hands of the elderly right after a fall can literally save their life. A cell phone in the hands of the elderly that can't be effectively utilized is nothing more than false hope. False hope is more devastating than lying there in hopes of being found. In most cases, the numbers on a cell phone are too small to read. Even a preset button on the face of the cell phone can be too small to read, especially if something such as glasses are lost or broken in the fall. A cell phone in the hands of the senior citizens after a car accident, or when they get a little confused about the destination they originally set forth toward when they got into their car, can be a huge benefit. There are a couple of elderly-friendly cell phones on the market, but they have a few flaws. One of the greatest flaws of these cell phones is that the elderly do not know about it or realize their benefits. There needs to be more direct marketing aimed at senior citizens to inform them about how beneficial a cell phone may be for them. Large number buttons on cell phones are a step in the right direction. However, the rest of the buttons need to clear and easy to interpret their basic functions. A basic on button is clearer than the little symbol that most cell phones use. The simpler a cell phone is to use, the simpler it will be to convince a senior citizen that they can truly benefit from having one. Family members can rest a little easier with a cell phone in the hands of an elderly family member. Calling a home phone that doesn't receive an answer can make family members a little nervous. If an elderly family member can be reached on their cell phone while wandering through the grocery store, the family will worry a little less.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.